September is an awesome time to be in the garden in Queensland. There is so much colour, everything's coming alive, best time to be here. Here's some great ideas for you to do in your garden in September in Queensland. You want to be putting your tomatoes in. This is the perfect time to get them in so that you'll get beautiful big tomatoes before it gets too hot. There are heaps of tomato varieties that you can put in now in September. So you can put your small cherry tomatoes in, you put your heirloom varieties in, you can have colour, you can have flavour, you can have it all. I love the Tigerella tomato. It's got crazy stripes on it, it's sweet in flavour, that's the one for me. September is a fantastic time to put your hibiscus in. It'd also be a really good time to put all your evergreen trees in, so I'd be putting my eucalyptus in, my acacias. It's fine if you don't know what you're doing. Come into store, talk to a garden expert, we'll help you out. Perfect Plant Promise enables you to buy any plant in our nursery that isn't a seedling, and it'll have a 12-month warranty. If you're not happy with it in any way, just bring in your receipt and we'll give you a full refund. September is an awesome time to plant edibles. As well as tomatoes, try chilies, eggplant, corn and cucurbits such as pumpkins, squash and cucumbers. In September, you'd be harvesting probably the last of your cabbages, cauliflower and broccoli, and then you'd be getting your new stuff, so your beans, your ginger, your bananas, and they're going to taste great because they're from your garden. In September in Queensland, there's still a bit of pruning to do. Remove any spent flowers and tip prune natives if they need it. Keep an eye out for aphids and other pests. Now is a great time to feed as your plants burst back to life after winter. Use a good citrus fertiliser on your citrus and fertilise natives with a low phosphorus mix. Your lawn will also benefit from a feed. If your lawn is looking a bit patchy, plant some new seed. And as with all feeding, just make sure you don't do it on a super hot day and water it in effectively after. I am excited about spring. I absolutely love it. There is so much colour around. There is so much that you can do in the garden. If you're not quite sure what to do, come into the store and see us. Come and see the garden experts. We would love to help you out. We really would. For more gardening advice, click here. And to go back to the website, click here.